The harbor is unusually quiet, with dozens of boats anchored and motionless. These boats are waiting for the end of a government-declared strike. Fishermen gather around the dock, discussing the uncertain days ahead. Nets lie piled on the decks, untossed and ready for the next trip to sea. Colorful flags flutter gently in masts that haven't moved in days. The strike has brought a rare pause to the otherwise busy fishing village. Children play on the shoreline, unaware of the worries on their parents' faces. Each boat tells a story, withered and worn by years of sea voyages. The tide comes and goes, but the boats remain still waiting. Local vendors complain about fewer customers as fish supplies dwindle. The sky reflects in still water, giving scene a mirror-like calm. Tools are being repaired, engines maintained, and ropes coiled neatly, all in preparation. The strike has turned the harbor into a temporary resting place. No one knows exactly when the sea will welcome them again. Though grounded for now, the boats are ready, eager to sail once the strike ends. Robi Hassan from Kutub Diapara, KDP News, Cox's Bazar.